Namaskar parents, good morning kids, how are you all? Hope you are awesome. So my name is Chachi Davda from New Era Global School. First start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Now rub your hands. Put them on your eyes. Open your eyes. And now you feel fresh. Okay, so start with phonics sound. A for apple. What is the phonics sound of A? A. What is the phonics sound of A? A. B for ball. B. C for cat. C. D for dog. D. D for dog. D. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G for goat. G. H for horse. I for ice cream. E. J. J for jug. J. K for kite. K. L for lion. L. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. O. P for peacock. P. Q for queen. Q. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. T. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. What is the phonics sound of Z? What is the phonics sound of A? What is the phonics sound of B? B. So, ये था हमारा phonics sound. Now class work. Now story time. आप लोगों को story सुननी है? Okay, come with me. Okay, so which letter is this? B. What is the phonics sound of B? B. What is the phonics sound of B? B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Okay, so now story time. Once upon a time, there was a boy. His name is Bablu. एक दिन एक लड़का था जिसका नाम क्या था? बबलू. Once upon a time, there was a boy. Boy. What is the phonics sound of B? Boy. His name is Bablu. Bablu liked to play with ball. बबलू को क्या पसंद था? बॉल के साथ खेलना. बबलू liked to play with ball. बबलू को क्या पसंद था? बॉल के साथ खेलना. बबलू wear boot. Boot. Bablu wear boot. B for boot. B for boy. Bablu wear a boot and Bablu wear a boot and got on the bus and went to the forest. Bablu wear a boot and got on the bus and went to the forest. बबलू कहाँ गया? बबलू ने क्या किया? बूट पहना और बबलू बस में चढ़ा और कहाँ गया? Went to the forest. Bablu got on a bus and went to the forest. In the forest, he saw a bear. उसने क्या देखा? भालू. बबलू saw a bear who harmed the bird. वो क्या कर रहा था? bear beef for bird को harm करने जा रहा था. क्या करने जा रहा था? harm. बबलू saw a bear who harmed the bird. Bird. B for bird. So बबलू have an idea. बबलू को क्या आया? आइडिया आया. उसने क्या किया? उसके पास क्या था? ball. बबलू throw a ball on the bear. बबलू ने क्या किया? बॉल को थ्रो किया किसके ऊपर? बेर के ऊपर. बबलू ने क्या किया? थ्रो अ बॉल on the bear and then bear डर गया. भालू डर गया कि भालू डर गया और भालू रन अवे. भालू भाग गया. Then बबलू save the bird. बबलू save the bird. बबलू ने क्या किया? बर्ड को बचा लिया. सो आपने देखा ये स्टोरी में बबलू को बॉल से खेलना बहुत पसंद था. Then he went to the jungle, he went to the forest, and then they saw a bear. उसने क्या देखा वहाँ कि एक बेर एक बर्ड को हार्म करने जा रहा है, मतलब सॉरी तकलीफ पहुँचाने जा रहा है. तो उसने क्या किया? उससे आइडिया आया कि वो उसके पास जो बॉल है उससे वो बेर को भगा सके और बर्ड को बचा सके. तो ये स्टोरी से हमें क्या सीखा कि हमें हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए. ओके, वी हेल्प ईच अदर. हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हमें हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए. तो बच्चों, आपको स्टोरी पसंद आई? यस. सो ये स्टोरी आप अपने मम्मा को, पापा को, दादा को, दादी को भी सुनाना. ओके. सो बी फॉर बॉल. Ball. What is the phonic sound of ball? B. Okay. So now classwork time. So kids, what did we learn yesterday? Yesterday हमने क्या सीखा था? B for ball, capital letter ball in English textbook page number 31. हमने क्या सीखा था? हमने B for ball को ट्रेस किया था and then we write the B letter, capital B letter. Okay. So today's class work is in English worksheet. Which worksheet? English worksheet. So take out your English worksheet, everyone. And the capital B page. Okay. Let's write the alphabet B. हमें क्या करना है? Alphabet B लिखना है. First write CW here, date here and HW here. Other half is in classwork, other half is in homework. Okay, so shall we start? Take out your crayons, everyone. Okay, so which letter is this? Letter B. Capital letter B. Small letter B. B for ball, B for bat. How we trace small letter B? Standing line and left side curve. And how we trace capital letter B? Standing line, left side curve, and again left side curve. B for ball. What is the phonic sound of ball? B. What is the phonic sound of ball? B. Okay. So first write classwork. जैसे कि मैंने आपको दिखाया अभी टेस्ट वर्कशीट में कि आपको क्लासवर्क कहाँ लिखना है and then date. Okay. So shall we start? First of all, kids, are you all happy today? Yes. So make a smiley. Happy. Okay. So shall we start? First row we trace the letter B. Standing line, left side curve and again left side curve. Two curves आएंगे इसमें and one standing line. Standing line, left side curve, and left side curve. Letter B. What is the following sound of B? B. Standing line, left side curve, letter B. Again, standing line, left side curve. In second row, we also trace letter B. हमें trace ही करना है second line में. B for ball. Ball. P. P. Ball. What is the phonic sound of B? B. And how we write a B? Standing line, left side curve, another left side curve. And now in third line we write letter B. हमें क्या करना है? B लिखना है. So कैसे? In first line to third line standing line, and then first line to second line left side curve, and then second line to third line another left side curve. Letter B. B for ball. Letter B. B for ball. And which letter is this? B. A capital B. B for ball. B. Ball. B for ball, ball. So our class work is done. Okay kids, so today's class work is in English worksheet. First write here CW and here HW, because other half is in class work, other half is in homework. Okay, and write here date also. Parents, please guide your children. First, trace the letter B. हमें क्या करना है? Trace the letter B. Trace the letter B. Trace the letter B. Now write the letter B. First standing line, and then half curve, and then left side half curve. Letter B. What is the phonic sound of B? B. What is the phonic sound of B? B. So आपको ऐसे होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना है. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने किया वैसे आपको यहाँ पे भी होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, सो किड्स, होप यू लाइक टुडेज स्टोरी. Yes, and today's class work. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.